Hi, if you're new here to my channel, my name is Janae and I'm sharing everything with you that helped me to remember. Today I'm talking about zinc, copper, and ADHD. It's so simple and empowering, but something that most ADHD people, or if you've ever heard anything about ADHD, that you've never been told. For decades, researcher William Walsh studied the biochemistry of people with ADHD. He wasn't diagnosing or treating, he was just looking for patterns. And one of the strongest patterns he found was this, that more than 2/3 of the people he studied had a low zinc to copper ratio. Here's why this matters. Copper helps the enzyme convert dopamine into norepinephrine. The dopamine supports the focus and the motivation. The norepinephrine supports alertness and the stress response. So if someone has too much free copper, their body may push more dopamine into norepinephrine, but that can feel like irritability, nervousness, emotional reactivity, or that amped feeling instead of calm focus. Zinc helps balance copper, and when zinc is low, copper rises. When zinc is adequate, copper stays in check. This isn't good or bad or anything like that. It's simply about how the chemistry flows. So here's something important. A lot of people still think that ADHD means you have too much energy and it needs to be burned off, exercise more. But what looks like excess energy is usually the nervous system trying to regulate the dopamine and the norepinephrine, the very two pathways influenced by zinc and copper. So this is not a fitness issue or a lack of discipline. It's the physiology, not misbehavior. Walsh called this mental metabolism, the way each person's brain processes the neurotransmitters. Just like some people metabolize caffeine fast or slow, some people metabolize dopamine differently too. It's not a flaw, it's a pattern. And here's the most important part. Any label is an explanation of behavior, a pattern, but never defines a person. And we must meet these patterns with love and compassion and self-forgiveness that only comes from knowing we were doing the very best with what we could until time could teach us more. Let me know if this helps, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.